Oh wait, it says liquid is perfect for DIY and handyman projects. So it's made for handyman. What do you know? It's made for me. Let's get to it. Welcome to another Handyman Leatherman video. Today we're going to be working on the camper again. Here is a few pictures of when we first got the camper, and then we're going to show you a small video of the first video I posted when I first started working on it. Welcome everybody. It's been a long time a coming. I showed you guys a glimpse of this trailer about April of 2020, thinking that I was going to start working on it. I got rained out, and then it got put on the back burner because I started working on the Colorado camper. You guys, hopefully you've seen videos of that. So I've kind of moved things around in the driveway today. We're gonna power wash this thing and get it all cleaned up. But let's kind of recap on what I showed you in the last video. I used Flex Seal, and as you can see, the water just sits right in it. It's just a very neat product. Let me show you what that looks like now. Look at all the pecans, and you can see where it used to be nice and shiny white. Now it's all dirty, but let's see how this stuff cleans up. I want to clean this roof so we can finish Flex Sealing it. I tell you what, this is a really neat product if you wanted to use it on a roof. It is really cool. You can see where water settles in some of these low spots because this is an old camper. It's kind of got weird ridges, but that, I may say, looks really nice. So that was power wash everything, get it cleaned up so we could finish this roof. Man, that Flex Seal is awesome. You guys got to check this out. So this power washer I have, approximately 4,000 psi. I can't remember, it's either 3,500 or 4,000 psi. It's got a lot of power. Let me show you. It didn't even hardly peel up or hurt this Flex Seal. So the roof looks a ton better. As you can tell, there's that black spot. That was where the air conditioner used to be, and I tarred over it. And look at this. I was hammering down on this stuff with that 4,000 psi, and I only saw two places. One was right next to that vent. It might have just not been some, I think it was on some silicone. And there was another place down there that kind of budged a little bit, but that was probably due to the fact that when I Flex Seal these edges, I didn't properly clean it because I was just, every time I'd wash this off, it would rain, and I would just run out of time. And finally one day I said, forget it, I'm gonna Flex Seal the edges, and I did it. But some of the stuff I rolled over wasn't 100% clean, so for this sticking this good, That is awesome. But look how clean that is. So we're gonna get the blower out, blow this off, let it dry. The sun is supposed to get up to 70, 75 today. I'm gonna flex seal this entire camper, the whole entire roof. This stuff is awesome. Now, if you had a camper that had like a material roof, I don't know how well this would work for it. I've got a metal roof, and I put several coats of lots of different products on there, and none of them I was really happy with. I even had some spots over there peeling off, so they don't clean up as good as this Flex Seal does. This stuff is awesome, but let's get this dried out and get this coated out. All right, everybody, it's go time. Got my gallon of Flex Seal, white, that's what I used last time. Liquid rubber in a can. All right, so it says blah, 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 make sure it's dry, blah, blah, blah. Hey, I think we're ready to go. Oh wait, it says liquid is perfect for DIY and handyman projects. So it's made for handyman. What do you know? It's made for me. Let's get to it. Leatherman Super Tool 300. That's what I always use. It fits perfectly in there and it opens up the cans. I love this thing. All right, let's check it out. Oh, are we ready or what? This stuff is so thick, it takes a lot of working. Oh, we got a long pole. And just like that, all done. It says to fill holes, and so I just gooped it in everything that looked bad, and it filled it on up, and it's kind of self-leveling to a point. I only used about a half a gallon. Did pretty good. Boy, that stuff. It says you could use a brush. You could roll it, which this roll is a little bit small, but I managed. And it says you can even pour it, so it shows that it ain't gonna crack when it gets thick. I'm gonna check this out tomorrow and see if we need to add any more, because this stuff will eventually set up. Man, this is nice. It is 11:20, so we did this yesterday about 2 o'clock, and it already feels pretty nice. I see 1 or 2 spots that I may put a little bit more in later on, but I am very happy about the way this turned out. So thank you guys for watching. This has been a lot of fun. Next video, we're gonna go inside the camper. I'm gonna kind of show you how I tore a few things out, what my plans are. I've already started building a little bit back. We're kind of gonna do it a little bit different. So stay tuned for that. And in the meantime, you guys, don't be scared. We paid $500 for this camper. And yeah, it's been a couple years since we worked on it, but you could get into projects like this really cheap. You just gotta have a little bit of patience, and it's kind of neat to create it the way you want to create it and not have to use what's already there. Sometimes the stuff they make these days are not very well put together. But anyways, until I see you guys again, thanks for watching. And if you guys like this, give me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, just ask me, or any suggestions and maybe something you've done, I'm all ears. I'm always liking to hear different things. So thanks a lot, and stay out of trouble. All right, it's almost lunchtime. I think I feel like some sliders.